Hey everyone, and good evening. This is JT from Hidden Gems Research LLC. Just coming back to you guys with a Gem Vault stock review video. Just kind of looking at what's in the index and seeing what I like, what I don't like, and just my general thoughts on all of our holdings. As I will also cover Surf Air Mobility, SRFM, as that was one people were asking about that I'm still holding, and then also DPRO, which is Dragonfly. That's ticker DPRO, another drone stock that there's a potential swing play coming that I want to touch on as well. So we'll start with our favorite here, our highest conviction play, which is Ondus Inc. Now Ondus Inc., not Ondus Holdings. And with this one here, we did see that major gap up back in January. We had the massive $1 billion private placement there, and a couple other things going on that were extremely bullish. Since then, though, we did have a lot of short interest build up on this stock, which took it down quite a bit, down sub 10, which was a little bit surprising, but we did get a nice bounce when that happened. I also say that for all of these positions we're looking at today, I'm looking at the monthly charts just because that gives us some good recency bias, but enough time to kind of look for trend lines and support and things like that. So with Ondas, of course, here we've come down on some of these longer wicks and tapped in, typically around like the 950 mark. I really do like 950 for Ondas right now for support. We are trending up, as of the last week. I know this week we had, I think, four news events. We had one news event Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and quite a few of those were actually high impact news. So we had the deal with Mistral, we had the Palantir partnership, and then a couple other things mixed in there. So really, really huge news, huge upgrades to their backlog from Mistral. They're going to have, I think, near 300 million in projected revenue for 2026. And just a bunch of really bullish things that happened this week. But of course, the last couple weeks we've been on a bit of a downtrend, unfortunately, and that's probably going to be the case until some of that short interest clears. Once that does clear, I am expecting the next leg up. I do think we are going to get back to that 14 figure and then hopefully 1650, which was that private placement where they put in about $1 billion. So I like Ondas a lot. I'm gonna give like kind of each of these positions like a buy, sell, hold rating. Uh, and with Ondas, I'm gonna put it at a buy, and I'll just kind of maybe mention those now. So I like Ondas a lot at this price. Anything sub 10. I like Lightpath right now, especially when that's sub 10 as well. Unusual Machines I think is overbought right now, which is UMAC, and I think that is a potential sell to look for. And similarly with AMPX, Amprius Technologies, as that's kind of run, and we'll go over those in depth, kind of look at the RSI and things, relative strength index. But and then I have Archer and Rich Tech Robotics, kind of in like an accumulation area. I think they are very undervalued, just based on previous price action, but they do seem to be accumulating. So those would also be on the side of buys as well. So there's Ondas. Let's touch on UMAC, which just honestly has a beautiful chart of higher highs and higher lows over the past couple weeks, and this thing just absolutely broke out this month. I believe it was up like 70 something percent, and then 90% or so, I believe, year to date. So yeah, this thing has just been gapping up beautifully, mainly in my opinion due to a lot of the news, probably due to the war, due to the stuff going on domestically